2010 Scion TC. Right there. Coupe. What we got done on it. Got factory converter there. Then it's got a manifold converter there. Then we did a resonator delete. Mid resonator delete right there. And a huge muffler delete. It looks small here. What we cut off, you know. But in reality, that thing's huge. There's a resonator. Where's the muffler? He'll bring the muffler in a second. There's the muffler. Like I said, it's huge. So it should be a lot louder than it was stock. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's how you do a muffler delete and a resonator delete. There it is. Scion TC. Better. Much louder. Sound decibels again. Again. 112. The sound decibels is 112. It's loud. Yeah.
Is that like loud?
Yeah, it's loud. Sounds good though.
Yeah, it sounds
Yeah.
good. I like it.
What do you guys think? Let us know. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Let's go down.
Scion TC. Loud and proud.